Okay, guys. Man, I had to go to the truck again because I forgot my backpack. I'm back over here again. I already got my fishing pole. I'm ready. Cast. That's my friend's bag where he can put the fish. He's over there. I'm waiting for the bite. We were here yesterday. We had some bite at nighttime, but today we're early. I mean, in the afternoon. And now we gotta be careful because the ice right now is melted, and I don't want to fall in the ice. So all this thing here, where it's white, there's better ice. Where it's gray, you gotta be careful. So I gotta walk slowly, slowly, slowly. So nice and sunny. Nice and sunny, guys. Hello. We're back here, guys. Let's see. This video is gonna be with my other one from Monday. I mean, from the first one that I did, that I came here ice fishing. So over there is nice where they stand, where they put that little warning thing there so they can cast for the fish. I've seen some shotgun shells around. I don't know if they come here for duck hunting, but I don't know yet. So let's see, guys. If I catch something, I will turn you back on. I thought I had him, guys, but I think he was taking my sinker. When I pulled, he came off, so I think, and my sinker was way off. Where's so the good thing is that I didn't hurt him. So if I cast the same place, that could be, I could just come grab him again. That's not the way I want it. Nope, that's not the way I want it. But I got this thing on the front that is taking my. And I think my power bait came off. Oh no, it didn't came off, but I gotta take this thing off. This thing is bothering me. Yeah, I can't cast far. You see the other one? No. Había uno persiguiéndolo a él. Yeah, baby. It's about time, man. Yeah. Este grande, bro. Había uno persiguiéndolo. Vi el otro que hizo así, turn around. Okay. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Jesus. About time, yo dije, coño, pero que no quiere, pasa que no quieren picar. Ya está picando, mira, pero lo voy a dejar que se lo trague porque el condenado, cada vez que yo jalo, mira, ahí se lo lleva, Yeah. Mira. Ay, viste, se me fue, mano. I know, that's what I thought too. And I even let the line go a lot.
Something breaking branches por allá.
Ya me llevo el power bait. Yeah, took my power bait. Acho, están ahí cerquititas de snap. You got one?
No, pero tú no brincaste, ¿verdad?
¿Cómo que no brincaste?
No, que si tú no.
No lo brinqué, no. I think es lo que tiene. El power bait está gastado. What I'm gonna do is, voy a poner la anzuelo un poquito bien abajo. Sí, si es eso que no me quieren picar.
Pero para allá. Maybe they're just.
They're right
Todo el
there.
día lo estaba cogiendo con regular power, pero ahora están picando con garlic.
Con garlic. Damn, man. Donde yo tire aquí, ahí, mira aquí. Right there, bro.
Ah, no, es que me cogió para
Ahí.
yo lo dejo ahí.
Ahí bajo. Completo. Está hondo eso ahí, ¿viste? Man. Yo digo, voy a dejarlo que se lo coma, pero y se estaba llevando la line.
Me brincó uno ahí ahora mismo.
Next to the ice.
Right there, next to the ice.
Ahora ya son esos mismitos que están pasando por ahí. There he goes. I'll get in the bite.
¿Tiene bait?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, no, pero voy a tener que tirar para allá también.
Mira, ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, unless something is taking my... Huh? Venga, papa. You can eat a book. Come on. Come to papa. Come to papa. Play with it and then let him go. Una molita, por lo menos, una molita ahí. Oh, mira donde brincó. Right over there. That was a big one, dude.
Big one.
That was a big one.
Entonces yo tiro para allá y
It just jumped over there. Not even, what, 20 yards?
no, ven, yo voy a tirar para allá. Sí, verá que no muere.
Son estos mismitos que están dando vuelta por ahí. Ahí de frente, not even 20 yards. Yeah, a little bit further. Yeah.
I'll leave it there for now.
Yeah, a little further down. Damn, this is my second one that every time. My second one that just got away. Okay, guys. Let's see. Saturday will be another day on the way. Saludate.
See you guys next time.
Yeah.
Hopefully we catch
The next time, guys. Whew. Damn. Hey guys, this is Victorious into the auto. This is the following the other day that I came here. I did some with Carlos. He's coming soon. He's in Chester fishing over there. I'm here. And I'm here. Again, I was over there behind that where the house is, the camping house. I was over there where the ice, if you can see the ice, I was over there. Now I'm on this side. Let's see if I can catch anything here just to move around. So I already cast. So I'm gonna catch my other one. This time I brought my 2 fishing pole. This one is not that very. I got some split shots because it's not too far away. But I'm gonna see if I can get a bite here. Oh, I got one. Yeah, baby. Hold on. I got one. I got a trout. I think it's a trout. Yeah, it's a trout. Oh, it's a nice one too, man. Already, bro. I just cast not even 5 minutes ago. I got it, yeah. It's a rainbow, yeah. Nice one too, bro. Wow, look at that big, nice dark rainbow. Wow, nice. There's a lot of branches here, fallen branches that every time I walk into it, I trip onto them. Wow, look how quickly I got a bite here. Come on. The other day they were biting, and what they were doing, they were taking my sinker because it was so shiny outside. It's like the sinker is very shiny, it's steel, so they go after that instead of my power bait. Okay, just leave it there for. There was a bite there. See, that's what they usually do. Oh, you see that? Right over there. Look at where he jumped. You saw that, huh? Look at that. I'm not lying, bro. Man, I wish I could have a house back here. So beautiful, beautiful place. So peaceful. I was fishing, what was it, yesterday? No, the day before. Yesterday I didn't fish. Thursday. Thursday, was it? Friday. Yesterday was Friday. Today's it's Thursday, yeah. And we were fishing over there where you see that ice. We were standing on top of it. And we're fishing. Some guy came out with a big truck and said, Yo, you're my hero. It was funny, man. It was funny. You're my hero, bro. You're my hero. Because what happened was, because we're standing on the ice. I think you seen my video. We stand on the ice, and the other side there was no ice. It was melted already. But in our area, yes, the ice was melting because it was getting watery. Lucky we had those boots that we had. Now I got my regular boots. So I gotta check this one out to see if. And we were standing there, and he passed by and said, "Hey, you!" Oh, I see him cursing. Oh my God, what the f and blah 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 blah. He said, "Yo!" He started screaming so loud. "You're my hero." He said, "You're a hero." Oh, there's another one that jumped over there. Let me call my friend. Tell him that where I am. Because he's in Chester. He's supposed to be coming this way. So if they had that bite, it because the power bait is like a dough, like something soft. It's not like the other. It's like a paste. I might not have nothing on it. I hope I do, but it feels like, oh, I still do. Yeah, good. But it's a little bit crushed when they gave me the bite. Oh, I know what happened. Because this thing here is so high up. There you go. What they do, they just take sometimes the sinker instead of the power bait. I'm in this way. There you go. Okay, right there. Come on. Don't. There you go. Oh. Oh, thank you, my Lord. You know, it's like when you ask the Lord for blessing, He will give it to you, but you got to be patient for it. There's days that you come and you can't fish, and there's days that you come and God bless you a lot. Okay, that's my second one. All I need is one more. I'll be happy, and then other ones are catch and release. Gotta take these branches out of here. This one here. This one here, I don't have no bites onto it. But I don't. Let me cast it over there so that way. Do I have the power bait? Nah, they ain't gonna bite me. I don't have no power bait. They're not gonna bite the bait. Not me, the bait. I don't have no power bait. This one I put with a rainbow. Hopefully I catch something and I'll do a nice video. Maybe this one's gonna be a short video because I got 3 already. So it depends if I want to keep fishing for catch and release. It's funny how it is, man. Yesterday we were here. I mean, Friday we were here and nothing. We had some few bites, but it just didn't want to get caught. And today I just cast, and the first cast was like quickly a nice catch. I hear something over there. But guys, this is the most important thing. Look how beautiful it looks. I was crazy so the ice can come out, you know, so I can start fishing properly here. I'm going to, that over there, that dam, I'm going to be fishing in the, I want to be fishing there on the bottom at least a couple of more weeks. That's a long walk from the other side where I parked the truck. That's a long walk. So now that the spring is around, you don't have to wear those big boots, those heavy boots to walk. So I could wear this or some sneakers, and I can walk all the way to the dam and fish on the bottom. There's got to be bass down there too. Okay, here's some geese. Let me see. Where are you? Oh, there you go. They're coming. Cluck! 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 Getting the bite, guys. This one pulled. I should have had my line. Damn, man. I should have the reel loose. I had it tight. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. I just cast it there because I seen them jump right there behind this little dirt thing there, or the weed. There you go. Come on, baby. Come on. Go on. Go on, baby. Come on, boy. Don't get stuck in there. No, no, no. Oh, come on. Vente, vente, vente. Mira, ahí viene. Good. There you go, baby. That's my third one here. There you go, right there, bro. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Thank you, Lord. I seen it jump there. I say, wow, wow, that's got to be. I seen him jump. Okay, how nice it is. See this? It's a beautiful one too. Oh, it's gonna let you. Yes, bro. Oh, he's bleeding. I don't want him to bleed. Okay, I take it with you. You're bleeding. I was gonna let you loose, but you're bleeding. That's my third one. Yo, and my friend in Chicopee, the YouTuber too. His name is fucking fishing. I don't know what that means, but if you, it says FF. It says OFAKIND fishing. Yo, my friend, soon we gotta make a video, bro. Be night fishing for catfish. Hey, whoever wants to go fishing with me, man, you gotta let me know. All you gotta do is go on my YouTube. If you don't subscribe, give me a like. And if you live around, or you want to come to Massachusetts and go fishing with me, it's fine. I don't fish on boats, but I fish like this. You know, if I need to walk, I'll walk. Doesn't matter. If I need to fish, you know, looking for the fishes, that's what I usually do. So I'm trying to see if I can find some shirts with a name on my name, my YouTube name and everything, but if you know where I can go and get some of those shirts to be made, just let me know. Just leave the message on my YouTube and I will find out, and if you leave it, then we'll do some shirts, man. I'm not that famous yet, but hey, I'm just starting, bro. I started in 2018, then the pandemic came in, and you know, slowly going up. So, by any subscribers, anybody that sees the YouTube, my channel, you know, my fishing stuff, give me a like. You know, put a like. That helps, and subscribe. Hey, little, I see this little red squirrel. He's looking at me like, hey, what you doing there? See what I mean, guys? There's some places that I fish with worms, and I get bites like that. But the places around, they're different. They're different fishing. Right here, otherwise, it's power bait. You know what I mean? It's like they don't bite at the worm yet. You know, I don't see them biting the worm. I haven't even got a bite yet. It's a different type of fishing. This fishes over here is like, they have to be with power worms. I mean, power bait. But I got a. Somebody told me, I don't know who it was. I think it was in YouTube. Somebody, oh, my friend. I don't know if it was my friend. He told me that take that worm blower, fill it with some scent, you know, but watery, and inject it inside the worm. I said, oh man, that's a good idea. Let's see what's going on. I'm trying to see if I don't even get a bite from the worm yet. It's incredible because it's floating. I put the worm to float, but I guess. Oh. I had 2 strikes like that on the worm, but. See right there. Now I put another power bait on it. It's very deep here. It takes a couple of seconds, or maybe 3 seconds to reach the bottom. Right in that area there where the trees are, where the fallen trees are. Now the bugs are coming. You see the flies? That's why they're eating now. So you got whoever wants to fish some trouts, do it now, man. They're feeding on top, so. Can't wait for more to be warmer, because that way I don't have to wear all this stuff. You know, double clothes on the bottom. I got another pants under, some gym pants, my hot boots here, this coat, this jacket is wide. That way I can leave this in the car and walk free of it. The thing, when you carry your backpack and all this stuff, and then you got all this stuff on, it's heavy. Pretty heavy. Hopefully you catch something. I'll bring you over here, guys, because I'm trying to you know, get bored in this. Oh, I thought I had a bite. I don't know if you've seen it, unless it's the weed is taking my line, because I see that weed is moving. Ring my bell, ring my bell. Come on, come on, come to daddy. Show daddy that you want another one. Little duckies are over there. I want to fish over there where those barrels are, but I gotta walk to the other side. On the other side, if you keep going straight to the other side, that's a parking spot next to a bridge, and then you can park your truck there and then walk this way. It's gonna be a while walking, but it's fun just to walk a different place to fish. No sé, pero yo quiero ir a pescar allí, muchachos. Ve dónde están los drones azules, pero yo tengo que parquear aquí al otro lado de allá, y entonces tengo que caminar mucho para llegar aquí. Pero hay un camino para llegar hasta ahí. Pero por lo menos pescar en diferentes sitios, como ahora, ¿ves? Que yo estoy en diferentes sitios pescando. No estoy en el mismo sitio quemando los sitios como hacen muchos que queman los sitios siempre. Y hay a veces que uno no puede por el hielo, uno tiene que ir y chequear, porque recuérdate, cuando hay hielo y no hay hielo, y si no hay hielo en un lado, pues tú puedes andar por encima del hielo y pescar en el otro lado donde no hay hielo, y ese es el único sitio a pescar. Pero que yo voy siempre, antes de pescar, siempre voy a diferentes sitios a chequear. Si yo no veo nada, pues arranco para acá. Pero hay muchos que queman los sitios, se quedan en el mismo sitio todos los días, van al mismo sitio todos los días. Y después llevan a otro con ellos. Vente, vamos conmigo, igual como cuando uno va a cazar. Vente, vamos para las palomas, a cazar palomas. Y cuando mira a ver, el que tú llevaste lleva a otro, y el que llevó el otro lleva al otro, y siguen así, te queman el sitio, te dañan el sitio, y después no quieren a nadie ahí. Igual que la pesca. Tú lo llevas aquí, y cuando el día que no, yo vengo contigo, no, estoy seguro, oh, sí, cuando viene a ver, tiene como 5 o 6 personas aquí pescando, lo que cogimos los otros días. El río no es mío, pero ellos vienen, tiran botellas, se ponen a beber y a tirar potes, ve llevarse los potes, la basura. Cuando viene a ver, nos cierran los sitios por cuenta de ellos. El río no es mío. Puede venir cualquiera aquí a pescar, a mí no me importa. Look over there, I don't know if you see, that's Carlos and his niece. He already got one over there. Yo, come over here and cast in between this. That's a good area right there. Because that's where they travel, right in between. You know, cast over here. Check if you can catch something there. Oh, they took a freaking worm. Just cast in between over here, bro.
They're jumping there?
Yeah, over here, because that's what happened is you see that weed?
Oh yeah.
And you see the tree? The level is like this. It's like like a big hole, deep hole right there. So they go between, they swim between that.
I'll go try out over there. You don't usually fish with spinners?
No, it depends where. If I'm in a kayak or a canoe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but here it's like, you know, you're gonna be cleaning your spinner all the time.
That is true.
You know what I mean?
Get up on that log.
Yeah, just be careful. You don't want to slip there, bro.
Yeah.
Cause I have an eye open. You know where that little log over there is?
Which one?
That one over there that is in the water. You see it black? That log right to your right. That little one there.
There's a fat glare right here.
That log over there.
That one?
Yeah.
Yep.
They jumping right in front of it.
Oh wow. Right, Cat. Look. Let me get in the water.
Just be careful, Mo. You don't want to slip and slide and hit your head or something there.
Yeah.
I had a bite here right now, but I don't know if. Oh, because I was gonna try and walk that side on the other side. The fence is posted, but I don't know on the bottom, no?
Yeah, the bottom, it didn't look like there were no signs, but near the fence there were a bunch of signs.
Because there's usually some brook trouts over there. Yeah, on the fence, yeah, I see some signs. Yeah, I'm waiting for a little bit. The season, the spring comes in, gets warmer. Because I got a kayak, it gets, you know, it has those little holes on the side.
Oh yeah, and the water sometimes goes in.
Yeah, I don't want to get wet in this cold weather.
Yeah.
I gotta buy the seat.
That same thing with my kayak.
I just bought it because I thought I didn't see the holes, man. And I bought it and I said, oh shit. Now I gotta, yeah, that's good, right there. Oh, right in between, that's good. That's the only problem about here. Every time I come fishing here, I get a whole bunch of freaking weed. Oh, got no power bait. Well, guys, I'm gonna let you go.
All right.
Just have fun, man.
Yeah, of course, you do. I might come here tomorrow morning, set up.
Yeah, the morning time is the morning time, and in the afternoon. I usually come here around 5
Yep.
until like darkness, because that's the time I see them.
Jumping.
Yeah, jumping and everything.
Oh.
Just slowly, just stop right there. Stop right there. Stop right there. Don't let it. Just let it stop. And then when you almost reach something, then you pull it real hard. Because you pull it now, it's gonna get stuck.
Yeah, it's gonna tangle.
Yeah, it's gonna get stuck there and tangled, and then you can't even get it out unless the branches dried out. Just slowly bring it up a little bit and then pull it real fast. But don't, not yet. Not yet. Now you put it hard. There you go. Okay, I'm running out.
That's how I always do it when I'm like bass fishing a pond or something.
Yeah.
Always get something stuck in the field.
Yeah, you gotta learn how to take it out. Otherwise, you're gonna get stuck and you're gonna lose a lot of lures. I got a special kid that I gotta attend to.
Special what?
I got a special kid that I gotta attend to, my son. Yeah, so I gotta buy him some pizza. He wants pizza. No, he can't. He has cerebral palsy. Okay, guys. Okay guys, this is Ray Toys Into the Outdoors. Until next time, hope you like my video. Subscribe and give me a like, please. Until next time.